Yup, my men. So what a lekker day of Currie Cup rugby. The Lions came out firing and roared past the Pumas, 52-29. A proper try-scoring thriller. What a performance from the Lions boys. Then in Kimberley, the Griquas boys showed the class, running in 8 tries and beating the Bulls 56-26. A massive performance from the champions in their famous turquoise and blue jersey. Now I want to hear from all my rugby mates, Lions fans, Pumas fans, Griquas supporters and Bulls supporters. Who is your player of the match? Who impressed you the most? And don't forget, môre is weer groot rugby. The Stormers travel to Wellington to face the Boland Cavaliers, a proper Western Cape derby. Boland mense, Stormers supporters, maak julle stemme dik. Who takes the win? Drop your predictions in the comments. Shabalabas.